Jesus Christ, my shepherd, I will not be in need. You lead me beside still waters, restore my soul in peace. Jesus Christ, you guide me in paths of righteousness. For your holy name and glory, I trust your faithfulness. Jesus Christ, you are my shepherd, I will never fear. Jesus Christ, your rod and staff, you are always near. Jesus Christ, your love surrounds me all my days. I will dwell within your house and praise your name. Jesus Christ, I walk the valleys, shadows all around, but in the darkest places, your comfort can be found. Jesus Christ, your presence drives my fear away. Your voice reminds my heart I'm safe in you each day. Jesus Christ, you are my shepherd, I will never fear. Jesus Christ, your rod and staff, you are always near. Jesus Christ, your love surrounds me all my days. I will dwell within your house and praise your name. Jesus Christ, you set a table in my enemy's sight. You anoint my head with oil, my cup is running high. Jesus Christ, your goodness follows where I go. Your mercy walks beside me more than I will ever know. Jesus Christ, forever faithful, forever true. Jesus Christ, my hope and strength is found in you. Jesus Christ, my life, my way, my song, my breath. Jesus Christ, my victory over sin and death. Jesus Christ, you are my shepherd, I will never fear. Jesus Christ, your rod and staff, you are always near. Jesus Christ, your love surrounds me all my days. I will dwell within your house and praise your name. Jesus Christ, my shepherd, all my days I'll sing. Jesus Christ, my Savior, my eternal King.